Hi, so in this long video, I will be walking you through a complete demo of the AI platform that I have developed. So naturalflow.ai is a AI multi-tenant enterprise grade platform which provide AI assistant, AI receptionist, inbound calling agent, outbound calling agent, SMS agent, email agent, website chatbots, and texting agent. So this is a 3D website which I have developed. So I am also working on the design of this website. So it is still in the development phase, but you can search on the internet www.naturalflow.ai, so you can see the website. So I will also walk you through the code base a little bit, and then I will walk you through a complete demo of the platform dashboard. Then I will also attach a PDF in which I will mention the future plannings that I aim to develop for it. And now let's move to the code base. So this is a very comprehensive code base which includes the strategy that I have implemented for developing this platform. Now let's move to the dashboard. So currently in the overview section, the client can see the total number of agents he have, how many active calls are there, how many messages came in today, and like the success rate. The client can also see his recent activity. He can create multiple agents, import agents, and view analytics. Now coming to the phone number, it will fetch the available Twilio number when the SID and auth token are configured. So the client can see his available phone number and he can activate any phone number and use it with an AI agents. Now coming to the analytics section, it will show the detailed analytics of the dashboard, like how many calls have been made, how many minutes have been consumed, how much amount is spent, how many calls did not connect, how many calls were answered, not answered, how many appointments were scheduled, and how many of them were transferred. So from below, it would be the client would be able to see a bar chart or different type of charts through which he can analyze the trends. He can also use different like filters to filter out the statistics for a specific time. Now this sub-client option is for the developers who are working parallel on multiple clients, so they can switch through a client ID. And for the calendar integration, I have used two calendar through which this platform is able to integrate. One is the Go high level calendar and the other one is Google Calendar. I plan to integrate it with directly with HubSpot calendar and other available calendars such as Calendly and Outlook and cal.com and some other as well in the future. So you can see like the integration of the calendar. Now moving to the saved agents, the client would be able to create, or the dev would be able to create multiple agents through it. So we can also test out the agents, make a test call directly from the dashboard, or test the voice chat directly to test out the agents, like how it is performing without making a phone call, right? So it would be able to edit the agent he has already configured. Now moving to the voice agent section, the client would be able to set up the agent name. He would be able to set up the AI model, whether it is a Gemini or OpenAI or some other LLM. So it would be able to set up the opening message that the AI agent will be saying at the start of the call. So moving below, we are using Google Cloud Voices, Chip 3 Voices, and the STT provider is currently DeepGram. So it would be able to configure multiple type of STT provider that are available in the market, and the client would be able to set up, connect his calendar with the AI agent. So I just like I told you, Google Calendar and the Go high level calendar. So it would be also able to set up the call transfer numbers based on specific phrases. So when the AI agent will say a specific phrase like please hold, it will transfer the call to that number through Twilio. And the custom action, it is a function which is able to take any, so the AI agent is able to take any action during the call. Like let's suppose AI agent has to like fetch some values from the database, so it would be able to customize an action, and we can add multiple custom action, like if the AI agent has to perform multiple actions. Now for the voice activity, like for the VM detection, if it is turned off, like the AI agent can perform two actions, like it can leave a voicemail or it can leave a goodbye message, like because based on the goodbye phrase, the AI agent will hang up the call, not only the goodbye but the client which he has configured in here. So we are also allowing him to configure the creativity of the AI, like whether to strict with the script or to be creative. So we also provide the voice activity detection configuration, like what is the minimal time for the AI agent to start speaking or stop speaking, and what is the minimum volume. So the LLM provider is Google Gemini, the speech-to-text provider is DeepGram, and the text-to-speech provider is Google TTS. So I have configured it for chipped 3 voices available in Google. So the client can also connect his agent with 2 types of calendar. Currently, I plan it to optimize it, like connect it through different type of calendars such as cal.com, Outlook, and others, HubSpot calendar as well. And let me see if we can configure it for the Salesforce calendar. Now, after that, the AI agent can transfer the call. We will just put in the transfer number and set up the transfer phrase. Then it can transfer the call on that number. And we can also set up the transfer rules and add a rule. Then the AI agent will transfer the call according to that rule. So it has also custom action option, like if the AI agent has to take any action during the call. Likewise, I told you, like fetching any value from the database or performing any other action according to the use case defined by the client. So it has also VM detection option and goodbye detection, like if the phrase is goodbye during the hang up, then it can simply hang up the call. And for the voicemail detection, the AI agent can take 2 action, like it can leave a voicemail or it can leave a goodbye message. So we can also configure the AI creativity option, like if we like the temperature of the LLM provider, it can strict to the script or it can have its own creativity. For the word configuration, voice activity detection, we can also configure stop seconds and start second and the minimum volume for the AI agent. So I plan to make it for WebRTC as well, so the client can configure whether he wants to use WebRTC, because it has a different pricing cost, but currently I have configured it for voice activity detection. And the client can configure the prompt or write the prompt in here, or I have also configured it a system prompt which will be used for all the agents, and it will have the availabilities, calendar availability and other configuration which cannot be overridden. Now moving to the texting agent, the client can set up a texting agent. We can also test it right away, like let me type, hi, how are you? So the AI agent will be responding, and this through it AI agent can take up the information gathering question and then schedule an appointment, or it can wake the calling agent to call him right away or take any other action. So from this sessions, the client would be able to see how many current sessions are there, and this is for the email agent and the chatbot and the prompt generator. So this was a comprehensive introduction of all the things that have been currently implemented. I am scaling it for multi-tenant because this is a minimum viable product and it's working at its best currently, but I also plan to optimize it in the future. I will be attaching a document in which I will be telling you about my thoughts on future features, because I have planned it to make it market breaking and incorporate features from all the competitors along with the MCP server or many other use cases. Thank you so much for your time.